Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Pearson MyITLab. Today I am going to solve an 11th chapter of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you need help in any other part like a PowerPoint part, Access part or Word part, or if you need help in the Cengage course, Pearson course or Simnet course or SAM courses, you can contact me. Or if you need help in the writing assignments, accounts assignments, financial assignments or math assignments, stats assignment, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at in the thumbnail of this video or in the start or end of this video. Now I am going to start this one video. Its name is Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 ML1 Internship. It's basically Excel 2021 project. Its project description is given here. I will read that one. As an internship director of the regional university, you created a list of students who are currently in the semester internship program. You have some patches to complete the worksheet, particularly in formatting text. In addition, you want to create an advanced filter to copy the list of senior accounting students. Finally, you want to insert summary statistics and create the input area lookup as student ID to display his her name and major. That's our project description. Now we will move to our first step. I will do this assignment step by step. So by following these steps, you can complete your assignment. In our first step, what is he asking? Start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 11 ML1 internship. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. That's our file. That one first step only involved downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson MyITLab, and I will make this one as enable edit. That's enable edit. In our second step, what is he asking? You will use the student worksheet to through step 8. So we will use the student worksheet up to step 8. Then we will go to the info worksheet. First, you want to create an array of the table for the last 4 digit of the all student ID. In the cell B2, create an array using the right function to extract the last 4 digit from the student ID in the range A2 to A42. Apply center horizontal alignment to the range. Hint: formula is equal to write student ID comma 4, then close parenthesis. That's our step. So we will go to the cell B2. He tells us about already the formula. We will use is equal to sign and use right function. Start our bracket. Then what is our text? Our text is in the cell A2, and he tells us we need to extract the last 4 digit from the right side. So we will type here 4 and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result 2599, and he asks us what we need to do. Apply the center horizontal alignment to B2 to B42. So we will make this one double click. So it's applied to our up to B42. And what we need to apply? Center horizontal alignment. We need to apply this one. We will go to the alignment tab and here we will select center. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? The first and last name are combined in the column C. You want to separate the name into 2 columns. Convert the text into range C2 to C42 in the 2 columns using the space as a delimiter. Deselect the other delimiter. So we will select the C2 to C42. That's our first name and last name. We need to make this one as a separate with delimiter. So that's our we need to fill the column D's for the last name also. So we will go to the data tab and here we will select text to the column and we will select space as a delimiter, and other thing we need to remove. We will press next and we will finish that one. You see we have got our names in our column C, its first name, in our column D, its last name. That's our step. In our fourth step, what is he asking? Column F contain each student major in all capital letters. You want to display the major in upper and lowercase letter. In the cell G2, use a text function to convert the text into range F2 to F42 into uppercase and lowercase letter. Formula is equal to proper. We need to use a proper function and we need to select the range here in the cell. So we will go to the cell G2. That's our cell G2. Here you will check, you will observe that all things are written in the capital letter. He is asking to make that one in the cell G2 as upper and lower case, so grammatically it will be correct. So we will put is equal to button and put proper function, then select the text in the cell F2 and then close our bracket and press enter. You see we have got our result in the these two as uppercase and lowercase. And then what he asked, copy the function up to F42. So we will double click on this one or drag this one downside up to F42. In this way we have got our result in the column G. That's our step number 4. In our fifth step, what is he asking? You want to create a criteria of the dataset so that you can use this range in an advanced filter. Copy the range A1 to I1 and paste it in the cell A44. So we will select A1 to I1. That's our cell A1 to I1. We will copy that one and paste it as a A44. That's pasted as a A44 and we will paste that one. And what we need to do, create a condition in the major update column for senior accounting in the row 45. We will copy that one. For major update, here in this we will type this one as in the row 45. You see, you need to check this one. That's our row 45. We will type here in the major updates as a senior accounting and remove extra spaces. So when you remove extra spaces, your advanced filter will work. If you have any spaces here, this will not work. Then, or in condition junior accounting major in the respective cell on the row 46. So we will copy that one. In the row is 46, we will type that one again in the cell. Here we will type this one and you will remove the extra spaces. That's our step. And in the cell, in the sixth step, what is he asking? You are ready to perform the advanced filter. Copy the range A44 to I44 to the cell A48 and perform the advanced filter. So we will select A44 to I44. That's our cell A44 to I44. Copy that one and paste that one as a A48. That's our cell A48. We need to now apply a filter, criteria range and output range. So we will use that one. This one we have made this one place for the, when we put the advanced filter, we will keep our values here. That's we will made that one for this one. We will select in the data table and go to the home tab, data tab, and here we will select the advanced filter. You see it's selected and we will select the criteria range. That's our criteria range is in the cell A44 to I46 and we will select copy to another location. Where is our place to copy? We will select that one, copy to, and we will find that one in the cell A49 to I49 and then click OK. It's not working. Why it's not working? I will do a double do that one. Advanced filter. You need to select A2 to I42, A44 to A6, and we need to put that one and press OK. The extract range, we'll delete that one. We will again do that one step, so it will be corrected. What next? Another thing, he did not tell us any other thing. We'll do. We'll select the advanced filter A2 to I42, copy to another location, and then now I have got why it's not working. Our criteria, why our criteria is not working, because we have put senior and accounting in the same column. It's in the different column, so we'll copy senior again and we will paste it in the here in the status, and here in the next column we will put in the major update, we will select that one as a accounting, that's in the different column. So that's our difference, both are the different things. So when you will paste like that, separate, it will work. Your criteria will then work, because we have pasted that one in the single thing. That's why it's not working before. I am really worried why it's not working. So I have checked that one, and then I have found that this is a mistake. That's the thing. That's our criteria. And what next he is asking? Copy the range A44 to I44 to the cell A48 and perform the advanced filter by copying data to the output range. Use the appropriate ranges for the list range and criteria range and output range. So we will copy that one A44 to, and then copy to A48. That's in the cell now A48. And now we will use the advanced filter. Select in the that one and select in the data tab, select advanced filter. It's now selected. Select the criteria range. Our criteria range in the cell A44 to I46, and our copy range will be where we need to put our results in the cell A44 A49 to I49. That's our placement of another location, and we will got our results. You see we have got our result in the cell A49. You see we have result here. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? In the cell K3, nest the unique function with the sort function to display an alphabetical list of each measure in the from the range G2 to G42. He gives us the hint in the formula sort is equal to unique into measure range. So we will go to the cell K3. Here we will use is equal to put function, and we need to use sort, then put unique function in this, and then select our range. What is our range? Major range G2 to G42. We will select G2 to G42. That's our G2 to G42, and close our bracket and press enter. You see we have got our result in our required cell K3 to K13. That's our step number 7. In our 8th step, what is he asking? Now you want to display the list of measures that occur only once. In the cell L3, insert a unique function to display the list of measures that occur only once with the range G2 to G42. So we will go to the cell L3 and put unique function for, and what is our array? Our array will be G2 to G42. We will select G2 to G42. That's our array. And what next he is asking? Close our bracket and press enter. You see we have got our result in our cell, only one student. That's our step number 8. In our 9th step, what is he asking? You want to count the number of unique measure and then update one student measure after you insert the function. You will change the student measure to ensure the function result are correct. In the cell L1, nest the unique function with the rows function. Use the range containing the measure update column data in the row function. In the F16, change the text to culinary arts. So that's the thing. After putting the formula in the cell L1, we need to change that one text into and the cell F16 to check our formula. So we will go to the cell L1. That's our L1. We will put is equal to, we will put unique function nested with row function. So we will put is equal to first row function, then start our bracket, and then start our bracket, then to use unique function. And what is our range? Our range in the cell containing the major updates column data in the row function. So we will select the rows function and we will copy that one and we will put unique function and we will copy that one here, that one, that is our range K3, and close our bracket, then again close our bracket, press enter. So we have got our result 11 in the cell L1. And what he is asking next, in the cell F16, change the text to culinary arts. So we will copy that one and change that one to culinary arts in the cell F16. That's our cell F16 we need to find. Here we will change that one as a culinary arts and press enter. You see we have changed our change in the formula. When we press Ctrl plus Z, we have result 11 here, and when we change the F16 with the culinary art and press enter, so we have got result in 12. So when we changing the values in our data table, then our value in the number of measures is changing, so our formula is working and it's correct. That's our step number 9. In our 10th step, what is he asking? On the info worksheet, you want to insert a database function based on the condition. Display the info worksheet. So we will go to the info worksheet. That's our info worksheet. What we need to do? In the cell B2, insert a dsum function to calculate the total tuition for junior and senior students. Use the range A1 to I42 for the student worksheet in the database and tuition for the field and the criteria range of the student worksheet. So we will use here in the cell B2, we will use dsum function. Our database, he tells us the database is the cell A1 to I42. So we will go to select A1 to I42. That's our criteria range database. And what is our criteria? Our criteria is the tuition. We will make this one in the inverted commas. Type that one in the inverted commas. Put inverted comma tuition. And what is the criteria? Our criteria is the criteria range. Our criteria range already mentioned. So we will put as a criteria range here in this A44 to I46. That's our student criteria range. We will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our results in our cell B2, 15 into 500. That's our formula is now completely working. That's our step number 10. We have total 21 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me. And if you need help in Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, Assess assignment, or if you need help in any other courses like Pearson courses, Simnet courses, SAM courses, Cengage courses, or SimNet courses, or if you need help in writing assignments, maths assignments, stats assignment, finance assignments, or any other subject assignment, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.